Where did this come from? What is this? Where am I?
Okay, at least you have a gun. I don't have anything.
I didn't even need a new... I know.
Well, I don't have any.
Whoa.
Where did this come from?
There you go. Now you got something apparently you thought you needed.
Okay. But why do we need this?
I'm not sure. Oh.
Okay.
I guess pretty cool.
Ooh, a car.
Lucky.
Okay, let's do this. It's better than a pistol.
Just keep this for backup. Wow, you're lucky.
I get the door. Window. This is some crazy mess. Holy Christ! Hey, just killed this. Wait, where'd he go? He was just here a second ago. Dude, come over here. I just killed this zombie thing, and now he's gone.
Oh my gosh, that doesn't make sense.
You see, there's blood all over the floor.
Okay, let's go. Hey, you should get some money from that. Maybe we can go get somewhere.
This is weird. How do I get money for that?
I don't know. Money just appeared in your pocket.
I'll open this door.
Oh.
Okay.
You know, how does money help us get business?
Yeah, I really don't know. Hey, look, a mystery box. I want to spin.
Sweet. Nice. Okay.
Alright, now it's my turn to spin. What is this thing? Whoa, looks awesome. Okay. Let's have some fun. Hey, wow, look at this. I think. Yeah. Now let's see what this is. Whoa. That's great. Okay. Ah, crud, we forgot about the barriers. Double headshot.
Who are you?
Okay. You were not in this party.
Will you help us kill zombies? That's the question. Will you help us kill zombies?
Yep, I don't think so. Okay. You
Okay,
better run away.
You're good. I like this.
What does this do?
Just open it,
dude!
Yeah, so tough day
Yeah.
with all the zombies.
Oh god. I got this.
Dude, I've got you. Don't worry, David, I'm coming.
It hurts. In a box. Shotgun upgrade. Let's do this. Where were you?
I was taking care of business, but on the bright side, trying to perk up there.
Okay. I gotta use it. God. Really? It cost $1,000 to open this door to the bathroom. Whose genius idea was this?
Okay, if it means that much to you, I can pay for it.
What the heck? It's not fair. Really? I'm gonna shoot you when you come out. Get ready. Oh my god.
Oh, excuse me, I have to wash my hands.
Oh my
weird. Hey, look what I got.
That could have been mine. Oh my god.
Could've. I got the meal kit. 3 guns for me. How's that? Have a good time. I'm gonna try some.
Oh god. Hey, you lost your meal kit.
I'll give it back.
I got you, dude.
Thank you.
This takes a long time.
Add some kind of way to do it. Again. Let's do this thing.
Okay. I got stamina and speed cola. I'm not exactly sure what speed cola does, but I know what stamina does.
Hold on 1 second.
Taking some more.
That's better. Now I can get 3 things again. I never even got a good sip of this. Oh. Oh yeah.
That's wrong, dude.
Sounds well more.
Wait,
And zombies.
where did that other guy go?
You know, it's kind of funny.
Can't remember his name.
This whole thing started out, we're just like, what are we going to use these guns for? Apparently we're on a nice juggernaut. Oh yeah. Keep that, rest of that for later. Okay, now the mystery box. Really pays off since I got that thing.
This is gonna be sweet. It's by the name. Sweet. This is an awesome shotgun. I'm gonna name you Susan.
Miss Susan, trying to see what's this. Down in the mystery box. I got 3 guns now.
Let's do this. Wait a minute, where'd that other guy go? Right here.
So, I got these upgraded M911s. I call them Sally Mustang. So, what happened to those zombies?
It's probably gonna be a big horde.
Oh crap.
Let's do this.